what without superstructure, and also the second cloth prototype also we tried without superstructure only. This is the down curve, 4 feet height it is around, and its back leg got fracture, so it is not able to lift, or it not able to stand. Uh, So if you see here now, sir, the video is clear actually. It is around 10 to 11 GB, so I am not able to send it through Google Drive. But I will try to put it in Google Drive and I will share it as soon as possible. Uh, so this actually is the support rod we got the problem, and directly I come to the point here. This is what we tried with the first clock prototype. Since the height was more, we removed the wheel part, and we just use this, which is comes around 7.9 feet. In video it is more clear, but I directly and we use this chain, which is around 3 feet. Now it is more, but we can reduce it to around 1 feet to 1.5 feet. It's sufficient. And now also slightly this hook actually we purchased a standard hook, and we used it, but it is good we made it as a custom made, so there is no slipping. Sometimes it will remove while lifting, so that problem we faced. Uh, Video is not. Yeah. Okay, yes, actually. Yeah. Uh, so actually, sir, I'm telling about the height issue, because this is because of mainly two reasons. One is about, if you see here, I am pausing here. Uh, if you see here, one thing, this support frame or support structure is getting blocked with this horizontal one thing. And second thing about our cloth, what is there here, this height is more. The cloth or width, I can say, from rod to its backbone, it is coming more, so slightly. So it is actually coat is not able to put the its legs straight. So this problem we face, and so this is what the height restriction problem we faced here. Uh, and particularly I go another part here, and you can see here the chain pulley got completely over, and we face this issue. Chain is get locked, we're not able to move it further, and yeah, the cloth from back to the rod, this support rod, this height are more this is also a problem for height reason, height problem reason.
Actually, we are not able to
And,
hear you properly. I think the video size
okay,
is very heavy, so maybe you stop playing and talk.
okay. Uh, yes. Uh, so in that actually, yeah, it will be good. Uh, yeah, photographs I need to take from the videos only, sir. Actually,
No,
it's completely
no,
videos now. Actually, yeah.
Manjunath, what you can do is you split the video into 2 or 3 smaller videos. You cut it and make it into 2, 3 smaller videos, and then you can share. If one single video is very big.
Yeah, where exactly the pain point is there, that is I will share. those highlight
That
points.
is enough.
Yeah,
That is enough.
that is possible. Yeah, that is possible. Sure, ma'am. Uh, yeah, sure, sir. Uh, s- yeah. And the first clock prototype, we face the problem with in the stomach, but it is going to like slipping and all these problems usually yeah, we face there. So we went with the second cloth and without the superstructure. So since we face the problem, I come to the this what are the cons mainly we faced here is if you see. mm, I come to this point. Height of the cow shed is only 8 feet, and after removing the wheel, we got it around 7.9 feet. It is adjustable, but again, we faced the problem with that cloth height. Cloth height was more, and the what the chain pulley blockage was happening. And yeah, where no, it is very accurate as according to cow sheds. Somewhere it may be 7. Yeah, somewhere it may be 7.5 feet, or somewhere it may be 9 feet also.
Yeah,
So that is actually I will explain it later. So
but
this is how it.
most locations, even earlier version, we had noticed that the height of cow shed is usually not very tall. It is around 8 feet only, 8.5 feet. That's why we
Hmm,
had reduced the
hmm,
height of our second prototype. Our first prototype was very tall,
yeah.
second was short. So now this is the third
Hmm.
prototype on which Manjunath is working. This you are trying to make it tall again.
Yes, ma'am. So now, so whatever our design is there, particularly, so after this thing, we thought that it will be more good for a. Uh, it will be more good for the, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hmm. No, no. Again, we need to make the what the roofings and other things. It will be again trouble for a like a farmers. So they need to make the roof again, temporary roof. Yeah. Otherwise, it is sufficient. Open and open shed, it is okay. Yeah, yeah. Now, particularly, it is coming. Yes, sir. So now the present superstructure is more suitable for what goshalas and the dairy farms having the roof height more than 9 feet, which is properly constructed as a dairy like shed. And for a like an individual farmer's house, like what we went for a trial. So these things will vary. So for that, if we make the superstructure which can vary between 7 feet to 9 feet adjustable height, like a barber shop saloon what the chair, he can make it adjustable, right? So that will be more convenient for him to take it in a slight way. And like I discussed with the welder also about this, and he also give some suggestions. It can be possible with using two different sized what the rods actually. It is possible. So so cloth 2 actually second prototype was work well. It is giving good support and safe for animal, and 3 to 4 persons are required. Maybe I can show through the video. One person is required near the head, so head will cannot twist neck near the neck part, and the other 2 persons are one neck at the front and other at the back leg is required. Slightly neck. We need to use the neck, and we can put this 4 legs insertion very easily. So otherwise, we thought it is very difficult to put it 4 legs. And milking is possible now, and it's safe for the udder part. Cons is yeah, again backside override because imbalance of the support frame. Here superstructure was not there. We just used the chain pulley and we lifted, so we got this overweight backside overweight problem. And the first class prototype cons again with the claw shrinkage and the cow. It is very difficult for a cow and it is dangerous. We faced it. So we not did the experiment with that cloth. Uh, yeah, yeah. No, 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 no. Okay, sure, sir. Yeah, this is the open like the way we did, and yeah, this is we can able to lift it. Here you can see in this photo we reduce the height or width of the cloth, and also we able to lift it properly until it's full leg. It can it able to stand. So here, if you see this image, minimum 2 feet, 2 feet, 2 to 2.5 feet, we require as a height will consume, particularly 13-inch for a chain pulley, and around 10-inch for a chain and that support rod, and another 10-inch for a 10-inch to 1 feet for a that cloth. If it is the cloth will or support rod for a cloth will go below the backbone, it will hurt. So it should be above 6 to 10 inch. It will be good for a animal. And about the disassembly, it took around 50 to 60 minutes. So yeah, since we remove the wheel bolt also, uh, it take around 20 minutes, and time required for a reassembly is around 25 to 30 minutes. And manpower we used there is 2 numbers, and 3 spanners we used, 3 size spanners. Yeah. That's it, sir. So yeah.
So, do you have any suggestions for overcoming this problem? Now, you tried it with a medium-sized cow. What if it was a heftier cow of around 500 kg or 450 kg weight? Uh, in that case, separating out the chain pulley and attaching it to the roof, I don't know if the roof of the cow shed would have necessarily got the strength of bearing weight of the cow, because chain pulley is directly attached to the roof. And what if the roof collapse? That's my worry.
No, actually the poles are strong, usually strong, the whatever the roof they use, but the difficulty they face with the overweight imbalance problem. So the backside overweight is there, right? If they use it openly, then that is what we faced with this medium sized cow also. It is very difficult. Each time while they need to make it sit, they need to make it stand, and they need to do the balance it again with some 2 3 what the uh, ropes again. That consumes time also. But if it is superstructure was there, as we can put 2 rods and we can balance it very easily. That is one thing. And sir, ma'am, here actually, as told now, this design now is more suitable and ready to give for a like almost like we can do trial in our Vardali Goshala also. Uh, so more than 9 feet roof where the dairy farms cow sheds are there or goshalas are there with the high roof structure, they can take it and use it. So there is no issue in that. We can
Okay.
lift out of 5 to 6 feet in this our present modified version.
So this
But
is
for
this
a
is
community use, particularly
uh,
for individual houses, yeah.
Yeah, I was asking
Yes,
whether
ma'am.
this is assemblable type of structure. This is assembled
This
in the
is
cowshed. This can be assembled in the cowshed.
this is assembled in the cow shed. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
What we
okay.
did also, we deassembled outside the cow shed and we take it inside and again we reassembled it.
Yeah, yeah,
So
okay.
that's what we
Okay,
did.
okay, yeah.
Uh, so as I told sir, around 25 to 30 minutes for a reassembly. So with wheels and for deassembly with wheels, wheels also we removed. So it took around 50 to 60 minutes. Two people we actually did. Uh, and sir, actually for now community use for 7 feet to 9 feet, if we consider the roof height, which is vary as according to individual farmers' cow sheds. So it is better to do the superstructure, which is adjustable height, which has the adjustable height. Uh, yeah.
Okay.
No, yesterday I discussed with the welder, so he told it is possible. Uh,
So
so with some bolt and nut, like a barber shop. Yes, sir.
yeah, so Manjunatha, one idea that can be tried is like a telescopic lens. So for instance, the height at modification that currently is being done is we have added like a rectangle at the bottom.
Hmm. Hmm.
So instead of rectangle, if we keep the slope and have two rods, so one rod goes inside the other rod, and then there are nuts and bolts so that
Hmm.
the height can be changed.
Okay.
So like we make
Uh,
slots in the two, so the bottom rod is having a bigger cross section, so that
yeah.
the current rod goes into that and with multiple holes. So based on which hole we select, the height can be changed.
Yeah. Yeah. Same concept. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so similar concept can be used
That's.
so that
Hmm.
the height can be modified. The second possible, so this is one possibility. Here the issue is that the height change is going to be discrete, so we are not going to get a continuous height change. So height change is
Hmm.
going to be
Hmm.
in steps, so based on how much spacing we give for the holes, our height is going to change.
Hmm.
But if let's say we
Yeah.
use a lead screw, with lead screw the height can be changed more smoothly.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
in the
Hmm.
barber shop, etc., what you are saying, generally they use the lead screw.
Hmm.
So with
Hmm.
lead screw, the height change is better, but I don't think we require so much precision in terms of the height change. We require, let's say, 7 feet, maybe
Inch.
7.58, 8.59. I think that should be good enough. Means maybe
Yeah.
three or
Yeah.
four options. I think will do the work. Means
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
I hope you understood. Otherwise, I will draw something and then maybe share with you.
No, sir. The same concept we thought it in a above what where the top structure
Huh.
was there, right? Our first
Correct, correct.
prototype. So same actually we thought about that.
Yeah, yeah.
Instead
So
of like a triangle, we can go with a slightly parabola, and we can do that.
okay, okay. Yeah, so that is
Not parabola. It's trapezium. Sorry. Yeah.
okay, okay,
Type.
Yeah, I was wondering.
Uh,
Yeah, yeah.
okay. So still, I think you can, if possible, you can share maybe a sketch of that with us through email.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So,
Yes, sir.
uh, so that is one thing, and the second thing that I understand is that the sometimes the cloth material increases the height, and so the we are not
Hmm.
able to get the required space so between the for the legs.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Am I correct in
Yeah.
this? Yeah,
Yes,
means
sir.
because the
So.
your cloth is the cloth length is so large that
Hmm.
the cow's legs are not totally becoming straight.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah, so Yeah, so this issue we are, so yeah, so the cloth, that's why the cloth dimension. So as I think last time you mentioned that we can have provisions for adjusting the cloth height also, isn't it? Last
Yes.
time you had showed me some picture for that.
Yes, sir. So we tried with this. If you see in this photo, here actually two sections are there, vertical sections.
Ha,
We put it in the above one. That is sufficient.
okay, okay,
Otherwise, now we made it a space here also. We can put it the downside where my
fine,
here
fine,
arrow
okay,
is
okay.
indicating. Here also we can put
Okay.
the dot.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
that way I
Yeah,
think the height
yeah,
issue
that
again can be taken care means.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
It is safe. It's above the backbone. But if it is too like 1 feet, 1.5 feet, it simply consumes the overall height.
fine, fine, got it. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So,
So second thing is that once so if we do the adjustable height, I think then it can take care of all the possibilities, isn't it?
adjustable height.
If,
Yeah.
yeah, if you have
Huh.
adjustable height, then it can be used anywhere. Means let's say even big goshala to maybe a small farmer to all places. I think we can use it.
Yes, sir. But there is a chance that big goshalas may use the first concept only because anyhow they are not giving it to outside and they're only like a big cows are there. So, Sridhar sir, correct me if I'm not wrong. Like a hybrid cows, very big in size and height. They may prefer very like a very height and this thing, and this can be like a for a dairy cooperative societies, particularly having this type of cow shed with a roof structure can be usable. But that hmm, hmm, yeah,
Okay. Uh,
so at household level, there are bigger cows also in the goshalas. In of an individual farmer, you have bigger hefty Jersey cows also.
mm,
Huh. So that issue is going to be there. Yeah, 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 yeah.
yeah, yeah. So where we visited Kanle, so he has big size cow only, like an individual farmer.
Oh,
Uh,
okay.
so yeah, here. Hmm.
Yeah. That's a good suggestion. Manjunath, you can take photographs and below the photograph you can put name of the variety of the cow, approximate weight, and you can get it vetted by Dr. Sridhar, so that when we start making report or anybody asking us, we can say that these are the varieties and these are the weight ranges on which trials were conducted, and we will be very sure. If they have something beyond that, then we'll have to take care. Otherwise, for this range, we are sure. Yeah, yeah. So height, height of the
No,
animal, weight of the
here
animal, and the variety. No, weight. No, weight you will
no.
have in literature, right? You will have the rough range of weight of the animals. He won't be able to take, that is true. But he can take height. Okay, okay. This formula is
So,
for what? Ah, acha. Okay, sure. Hmm. Yeah.
sure, sir. So maybe if we go Vardali Goshala, there like all types of cows are available from Malnad Gidda to like a change HF, there I will take one consider one type of and its array height and this thing will consider that. Uh, hmm, hmm, hmm. Okay, okay, okay. Sure, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, Manjunath, one question you had mentioned was the interference with the support rod. Can you tell that? Can you explain it one more time?
Yes, sir. Uh, so, sir, here actually, if you see here, from this, yeah, this, you see here actually the chain pull is ended, and here's the this chain is actually blocking our the this subframe, sir, actually. So this is initially the condition, but there was a height of this clock is also get more. That is also now about uh, this door. Like the one is like a overall height with this block. If this is not there, still we not able to lift it because of the chain pull. Chain pull is ended here only. We can see here, and the so sometimes feel, sir, this is blockage is okay, like for this side if we still like slightly make it above these two rods, it can work, we can work, because you know from his this hook to uh, actually here I already chain pull is ended, and it is over now, it also came to the maximum height, this thing, and yeah, here blockage is there, that is okay. Main, sir, issue here you can see, this is we need to control, sir, actually this 2 to 2.5 feet only we need to control it, so then only we can be able to stand the within like a 7.5 feet, we able to lift even like a 5 feet also around, if we control this parameter. In that
Okay.
now 13-inch height is consumed by chain pulley, and around 10-inch by the support rod, and another 10-inch by the 10-inch to 12-inch by the that gap, clock gap. It comes around 2 to
Oh,
2.5 feet.
okay. So means when you are lifting, the support that support rods, they are getting yeah, they are being interfered by the by your that what we call this this structure with chains.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hope that
Sir,
yeah, if we go for that adjustable height, I think this issue will also
hmm.
will not occur.
So that time we need to completely slightly change the, yeah, one thing about the changing the what slightly the what the structure of the our superstructure now, instead of like triangle we can make it as a trapezium, and we can go for it,
Hmm.
or as you suggested now, from the bottom also we can try it out
Correct.
if it is possible.
Yeah,
And if you see here the top section, we can remove it, that welder told, and it is also consuming some around 4 to 5 inch height now, 4 inch around
yes.
this part,
Ha.
the edge part.
Yeah. So what was
Yeah.
done actually was that a triangle was created and the triangle was welded. If you see there,
Yes.
a
Yes, sir.
triangular plate was welded there to the rods.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, fine. That can.
So that it can be chip. It is possible to chip, and we can give another plate. So height can be somewhat. We can still make it.
Hmm.
reduced.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir. Sir, maybe I will send you the then basic pics actually, sketch of the like both the diagrams, like as you suggested, one from the bottom and another from the top, for adjustable height mechanisms, uh, so that 5 feet can be 5 feet. We can take it as a maximum, uh, like animal height, and 2 to 2.5 feet we can give it as a clearance, which is required for a chain pulley and support rod and these things.
Yeah, sure.
So one
Yes.
suggestion, since this prototype is working well for the larger Goshalas, I think let's freeze on this prototype, and for those modifications, do you want to construct altogether fresh prototype, or you want to conduct trials on this itself? What's your suggestion, Professor Bhandakar, on this?
I'm okay. Means if there are cows who need attention, and if the machine can be useful to them, we can conduct trials.
No, I'm saying this existing one is not suitable for a Goshala. So we
Mhm.
are trying to design adjustable height one, another prototype. So should we modify this prototype itself into a adjustable height, or it is better to, have a fresh one fabricated? That's my question.
Um, I think both are okay. It all depends upon if the vendor or the fabricator is able to do modification here. So that's why my suggestion was bottom, because bottom we can play easily. Changes can be done. At the top, I think, for instance, like Manjunath was saying, the trapezoid, trapezium type of.
Hmm.
So that will need much more changes compared to, let's say, fiddling with the bottom. Means if so let Manjunath send the sketches. I think then we can take a call whether we work
Sure.
on this itself or go for a completely new one.
Sure. I was only thinking of preserving this structure,
Yes.
because this has worked well for up to medium-sized cows, and in large Goshala, I think it will work on even large-sized cows. It's only question of testing the cloth. If it is working on large-sized cow, if it is able to take the weight, that's all.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
If you put the wheels, ma'am, height will automatically increase, and it can be used for large cows also, particularly
Correct.
for
So
Goshala, like Vandali Goshala type of areas.
Exactly. So we can say version 1 of prototype 3 is ready. From that perspective, I thought let's preserve this. That's what my personal view was.
okay. Okay.
So,
Fine.
so for adjustable heights, and we do have funds for that. So for adjustable height, we can, make a fresh prototype. That's my suggestion.
Sure.
But if you want to, uh, yeah, yeah, we do have. Yeah. Yeah, because my only
Yeah.
fear is if God forbid, if those modifications something goes wrong, then this good prototype also will be lost.
Yeah.
uh,
Yeah. Now it is actually good for a Goshala, sir. What we did the modification now. But yes, exactly.
yeah. So this design
Which
specifications, documentation, Manjunath, we have to take care, so that in case we want to reproduce this prototype version 1, we should be able to reproduce this prototype.
yes, yes, ma'am. Mm. S- And sir, Tanmay sir, here actually,
Uh-huh.
if we reproducing this, like a two mainly modification, like as the wheels and the bottom rectangular one,
Mhm.
and slightly we can move this horizontal rods, support rods to above, little bit half feet. I think it will be more sufficient. Like it is come almost equivalent to this hooks, hook parallel to hook. Then it will be more good thing.
Okay, yeah, I think that can be done. Means so it will not affect the stability and all.
Yes, yes, sir. Yeah, sure. Uh, so then like three things. So then we'll go for a basic sketch and taking the measurements of the different type of curves and sides. So it can be maybe useful for the cloth prototypes also, future cloth prototypes. That is we need to make it. Uh, I think these two things we can go for, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, sure. And we can give return this now prototype, modified prototype to the Vardali Goshala as soon as possible. Like once this now it is in the trial place.
Mhm.
Uh, so once that is completed, we'll move this back to Goshala actually.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Uh, Actually, yesterday, Ravindra sir told that went there and it was slightly okay, but he's not sure about its. Yeah, sir. Yeah, we need to check.
No, I think this is good. So, as discussed, Professor Bhandakar will guide Manjunath on the detailing of the second version design, and then he can do that design, and then we can then use it in the goshalas. Sorry, in the smaller cow sheds of individual farmers' house, and then that will be, of course, useful in places where the roof height is higher. Over there won't be any problem anyway. No, no. We don't want to take support of that the way Manjunath showed. Using that's what I was trying to express. The cow shed can collapse at times because if you're taking support of the those wooden rods inside the cow shed, it can be dangerous. But we are trying to design adjustable cow lift, so that can be assembled inside the cow shed without much issue. That's what we are trying. Oh, ho, ho.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
So
Sure,
Manjunatha,
sir.
what sir is trying to tell is don't allow them to remove the chain pulley from the structure and support the
Hmm.
cow. That can be a dangerous thing. Even I personally felt the exactly same.
Hmm. Sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hmm.
But how how easy it is to bring the cow which is in sitting position outside? It will be very difficult, no? Yeah. So I was saying, let us give it a try. No, version 2. Let's try to work out on that. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Uh, yes, yes, sir.
So,
And Tanmay
so
sir, here one more point actually.
hmm,
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, sir. So actually, this now, if you consider here the of this square, solid square, we can say to put the rod. Now it is 6 inch is something it is there, but in the field, what we experienced is we need a very minor. Once it is completely stand, it is slightly it has to balance, and now this length is more, sir, somewhat actually. If it is lift more, if you put the rod here, it may leg will go above the land, and if it is put here, it will slightly down. So very minor adjustment we required compared to this 6 inch. Somewhat.
Can you repeat it again, please? The voice was.
Okay, okay. Sir, this once the cow is lifted, so this support rod we are giving at the two sides, right? This
Yes.
these support rods through holes. Now, at present, the gap between these two holes are more
Okay, okay.
actually, or I can say, if we put it in the first hole, then cow leg will actually in a bent position. But if we put it in the second hole, then cow leg will actually above the land or ground. So very like a minor adjustment between 1 2 inch like that. It is possible. It is well and good, sir. In the future.
Yeah, yeah, you can, we can. So again, this spacing is, it's based on guesswork. So you can always add maybe one more hole in the in the middle.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah,
So that
sure, sir.
will not be a problem.
Yeah. In this, we use the cloth type. You can see here. Here, two ropes are actually we used to adjust the balance the cow with this support rod. Otherwise, it will become like this almost.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And for this chain, it's good, sir. We can do the very slight adjustment with this hooks only. One link only we can give as a adjustment. And for this, we use the S hook actually. That is we need to custom now made now.
Okay. Yeah. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So please, as Madam was telling, please document all these changes as
Yes, sir.
compared to the previous version, so that we know what are the differences and what. Yeah.
Yeah, sure, sir. Uh,
yeah, yeah.
Sir. Sure, sir. Huh. Yeah, sure, sir.
Dr. Sridhar, the MOU is under making. In fact, our legal department has given a simplified version. They said you keep the MOU rather than making it a general MOU, you keep it specific to the project activity. So I have kind of worked on the draft and sent it to them. So we're waiting for the response. Due to COVID and all those issues, no, so things are moving little slowly. As such, it takes some time in legal, but in any case, we will sign the MOU backdated. That's not a problem. Yeah, yeah. True, true, true. Once, yeah, yeah. Once it is vetted by our PI, no, Professor Agnihotri, I will send a draft version only to you, and we will send it to the legal department parallelly. That is what I'm planning. So I think next week I should be able to send you the draft. Yeah, 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 yeah. So, I mean, as long as we sign a backdated MOU, I think that should be fine. Yeah.
No, sir. For a weight, yeah, I will contact you in detail, sir, that how we can take the measurements of the different cows, the things. Sure.
Yeah, yeah. Yes. Yeah, yeah. So Manjunath, you just check with the welder, the fabricator, rough estimate of how much will be the cost of a fresh prototype, and share it with Bhandakkar sir, so that he can organize to make payment for that, some advance or something.
Yeah, sure, man.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, sure, sir. Yeah.
sure. So I think
Thank you,
that's
sir.
good. Hmm.
And
Professor
thank you, Sridhar,
Bhandakkar,
sir.
would you like to add anything?
No, I think all the points are covered. So
Covered already. Yeah,
okay,
sure.
yeah,
Okay.
okay then. Bye.
Okay, have a good day. Yeah. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.